Hello and welcome to Swift Education. My name is Hilary. Today we are going to create map charts in Excel so that we can analyze data according to regions. The kind of charts we're going to create are, for example, the ones demonstrated on this page, so that if we have to check country and we go to the provinces in Kenya, the first province is Western, we can check the population in Bungoma is 1.3 million, the population in Kakamega is 1.6 million. In coastal Kenya, there's Kilifi. You can check for Kilifi, you can check for Kwale, you can check for Lamu and Tana River counties. If you need to check for Nyanza, you can check Homa Bay, Kisii, Kisumu, Migori, Nyamira. Such are the kind of charts we're going to create so that we can know how to create map charts in Excel and interact with them so that we learn more about them. Therefore, welcome. I'm going to create a map chart for the state and the population in the state. So the first step is creating a map chart or creating a table, and this I'll insert and create a table, and my table has headers. I'll click OK. After creating a table, I'll insert or create a new, I'll insert a pivot table, and this pivot table I want it to appear in a new worksheet, and I'll click OK. It'll appear as worksheet 2. So what I'm going to select is the state name as rows, and the population as values. So we have the sum of the population and the sum of the rows. So what I'll do is highlight this and copy it and paste it in a new section. I'll paste as values and insert a table so that it appears as a table, and my table does not have heads. Let me correct this first. This is state and this is population. Okay, then I'll create a table on it. Insert table. My table has heads. Okay, and insert a mapped chart, and the map chart appears. So the map chart has a scale. Alaska has been moved to this section, though it does not appear here, so it appears on this section top here. But since the map style has cut it off and put it here, so I click on the chart section twice, double click on the chart section and come to format it, series option, show only regions with data, and the map labels you can put best fit only so that we can have the state names. Series colors, let's have bright colors. Countries with the highest population are in navy blue, while countries with the least population are in sky blue. Let's use a different color shade. Yeah, that's better. So what I'll have to do is increase the size of the map, and this is what I have. So what I might need to create is a slicer. So I'll insert a slicer for the state and click OK, and increase the columns to 5. Yeah, let's have 5 columns and position them to the right. Let's have them this way, yes. Now let's check Alabama. Find that the chart becomes too small. I have to increase the size to this, and let's label it. insert chart labels, and let's format the sizes of these. More chart, in fact, let me add more chart options, more labels. Include category name, and separator, let's have space. Okay, so we're almost ready. Home, let's increase the size. This we can increase to 12, and the font color should be white. Okay, this is the population for Alabama, and let's double click this and use none. So we have the population of Alabama shown. Let's check Alaska. We can check Arizona. We can check Arkansas. We can check California. We can check Colorado. We can check Connecticut. We can check California has the highest population. It is dark. Florida. We can check West Virginia. Then we can go back to the original map, and this is the original map. Find that when you come back to the original map, Excel makes it have a crazy size, and that is why I have to do this to readjust the size. So this is a simple map chart in Excel with slicers so that you can check the data for every state that you need. If you haven't subscribed or liked the video, please take some time to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you and welcome. Bye bye.